there, kids. Welcome to our farm. Today, we're going to meet some friendly farm animals. Are you ready? Let's go! Look over there. It's a cow. Cows are big animals with black and white spots. They say moo. Cows give us milk. Yummy milk for our cereal and to drink. And here are some chickens. Chickens are birds that live on the farm. They say cluck cluck. Chickens lay eggs. Eggs are great for breakfast. Oh, look! It's a pig. Pigs love to roll in the mud. They say oink oink. Pigs are very smart animals and they like to stay cool in the mud. Do you see those fluffy animals? They are sheep. Sheep say ba-ba. Sheep have wool that we use to make warm clothes. Here's a horse. Horses are strong animals. They say neigh. Horses can run fast and sometimes help us on the farm. Wow! We met so many wonderful animals today. Cows, chickens, pigs, sheep and horses. Farms are full of amazing friends. Thanks for visiting our farm. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye-bye.